Hi, my name is Sudeep, and I will explain how the slower gear transmission works. So, right now it's in the smaller gear is the driver gear. So it makes the bigger gear the driven gear, and it will go slower because the smaller one takes time to rotate and make the bigger one rotate. So this is the result with the slower one. See, it's slower than a snail. And then I can change this by putting the bigger gear as the driver gear and the smaller one as the driven gear. I changed it, and now it's going forward. Yeah.